Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey across India, but we're not just visiting the usual tourist spots. We're diving deep into the heart of India's technological revolution, exploring the cities that are powering its digital future. When you think of tech in India, what's the first name that pops into your head? For most, it's Bengaluru, the undisputed Silicon Valley of India. And for good reason. This city is a global powerhouse, home to countless multinational corporations, legendary homegrown companies like Infosys and Wipro. But the story doesn't end in Bengaluru. In fact, it's just the beginning. Let's travel west to Pune, a city that's rapidly transforming from a quiet educational hub into a formidable tech giant. Known as the Oxford of the East for its prestigious universities, Pune has a massive pool of skilled graduates. This has attracted huge IT companies and automotive tech giants, creating a unique blend of software and manufacturing innovation. Hinjawadi and Magarpata City are not just IT parks. They are self-sustained townships built around the tech industry. What makes Pune special is its quality of life. Surrounded by the beautiful Western Ghats, it offers a more relaxed vibe compared to other megacities, making it an attractive destination for tech professionals looking for that perfect work-life balance. Pune proves that you can have a high-flying tech career without sacrificing peace of mind. Now let's head south to the vibrant city of Hyderabad. If Bengaluru is the established king, Hyderabad is the ambitious challenger to the throne. This city has made a name for itself with its state-of-the-art infrastructure and a government that is incredibly proactive in attracting global investment. When tech giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon set up their largest campuses outside the US right here, something special is happening. High-Tech City and Gachibowli are futuristic landscapes of glass and steel, housing companies that are working on everything from cloud computing to pharmaceuticals. Hyderabad also boasts a thriving gaming and animation industry, adding a creative flair to its tech scene. And let's not forget the food! The legendary Hyderabadi biryani is the perfect fuel for those late-night coding sessions. Hyderabad is a city of nizams and new-age tech, a place where history and the future coexist beautifully. From the Deccan Plateau, let's journey to the coastal city of Chennai. While it has always been a major industrial and automotive hub, Chennai's tech scene has quietly grown into a powerhouse, particularly in the software as a service or SaaS industry. It's often called the SaaS capital of India. Companies like Zoho and Freshworks started here and have gone on to conquer the global market. The city's strong engineering culture, rooted in its excellent technical universities, creates a foundation for building robust, world-class software products. The IT corridor along Old Mahabalipuram Road is a testament to this growth. Chennai offers a unique combination of a strong work ethic, a deep talent pool, and the calming influence of the Bay of Bengal. It is a city that proves that you don't always have to be the loudest to be the most effective. So we've seen the big players, the established giants of India's tech landscape. But the most exciting part of this story is what's happening beyond these metropolises. The tech wave is now reaching smaller Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, creating new hubs of innovation. Let's look at a few of these rising stars. First up, Jaipur. The Pink City isn't just about palaces and history anymore. It's rapidly emerging as a startup hub, with a focus on e-commerce, fintech, and IT services. With a lower cost of living and a growing community of entrepreneurs, Jaipur is attracting talent that wants to escape the hustle of the big cities. The government's support and the development of incubation centers are fueling this growth, making Jaipur a city to watch. Next, let's travel east to Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa. This well-planned temple city is now also known as one of India's emerging IT and education hubs. With top-tier institutes like IIT and KIIT, it has a steady supply of tech talent. Companies are drawn to its excellent infrastructure, affordable operational costs, and the proactive policies of the state government. Infocity in Bhubaneswar is a sprawling campus that houses major IT players, and the city is fostering a supportive ecosystem for startups. Bhubaneswar is a perfect example of how strategic planning and investment in education can transform a city's economic landscape, proving that innovation can flourish anywhere. Another city making big waves is Kochi, in the beautiful state of Kerala. Nestled on the coast, Kochi has leveraged its high literacy rate and global connectivity to build a thriving tech ecosystem. InfoPark and the Startup Village in Kochi have been instrumental in nurturing a new generation of entrepreneurs. The city has a particular strength in telecommunications, IoT, and digital marketing. What's unique about Kochi is its cosmopolitan culture and incredible natural beauty, offering a lifestyle that is hard to match. It is a place where you can be working on a cutting-edge app in the morning and be relaxing by the backwaters in the evening. Kochi shows that a tech career can come with a slice of paradise. Finally, let's head to the heart of India, to Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Consistently ranked as India's cleanest city, Indore is now cleaning up in the tech world too. It's becoming a major hub for startups, supported by institutions like IIT and IIM Indore. The city's entrepreneurial spirit is palpable. A strong community, coupled with lower operational costs, makes it an ideal testing ground for new ideas. From software development to digital marketing agencies, Indore's tech scene is diverse and growing at an astonishing pace. It's a city that embodies the spirit of the new India, clean, ambitious, and ready to take on the world. So, what does this all mean? The rise of these new tech hubs is democratizing opportunity across India. It's no longer necessary to move to a megacity to build a successful tech career or launch a startup. This decentralization is spreading wealth, creating jobs, and fostering innovation in every corner of the country. It's leading to a more balanced and resilient national economy. From the global powerhouses of Bengaluru and Hyderabad to the rising stars like Jaipur and Kochi, India's tech story is a vibrant tapestry woven from many different threads. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and the incredible talent of its people. This journey is far from over, and it's going to be exciting to see which city emerges as the next big tech hotspot. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of India's incredible tech cities. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, and we've only just scratched the surface. Which city surprised you the most? Are there any other emerging tech hubs you think we should have covered? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.